Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you all what's in the Plouise budget box for May 2025. If you don't know, I've been buying these for the last probably 2 years now and I do love them. I think they're incredible value. So you pay £30 per box. I think it's now £2.50 for the shipping as well, but you get so much for your money in here. They originally said it'd be at least double what you pay for, so at least £6 for the products, but I think she goes way over that now. So I've got 6 products in here. I'm going to get them out one by one and show you what we've got. To start off with, I just want to show you the packaging because this month, this is absolutely stunning. Like, Plouise always has incredible packaging, but I love the vibe of that. It says, "The bare necessities, take a bite babe, I'm full of flavour." Very, very florally, very, very spring kind of like colourful vibes. So here for it. Then we open it up. Like I said, you get 6 products in here. I saw a sneak peek of this box. I've said for a while I keep considering cancelling my subscription. But the first thing that I saw when she teased this is the reason that I stayed for an extra month to buy this box. And that is this here. This is one of her Bad Bee Energy lip duos. I was going to say this to the end, but I'm just so excited I'm going to show you it. And this is one of her like jeweled cases. Like, how stunning is that? Like, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. So I've always loved her Bad Bee lip duos. Sorry, there's a hair on that there. I've always loved these lip duos. However, I think retail price, they are very pricey. £22 for one of these normally, but if you go on TikTok shop, there's usually a deal. Like right now, you can buy one for 11 or 3 for 25, which I think that's a really good deal because you get 2 products in here plus the gorgeous packaging. So let's open this up. I've already had a sniff, I'll be honest, just because when it arrived I was so excited to see what it smelled like. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm still a little bit confused by this. So firstly, this is what it looks like, in case you don't know when you open it up. You get a lip conditioner and a lip oil. I'm going to go into the lip conditioner first. It smells really weird to me. It's like a weird vanilla biscuit kind of flavour. I don't know what that's all about because it's not candy bears to me. It's like a weird like biscuity vanilla. It's like a tan mixed with vanilla and biscuits. Like, I don't know, it's weird. So I don't know if it's what it's supposed to smell like. I'm going to have to look at other reviews and maybe contact their customer service. I just don't think it's supposed to smell like this. I could be wrong. I could just not be a fan of this and everyone else loves it, but that for me is not right. Love the packaging and everything, but for me, I don't really like that much. It's not the nicest smell. However, when I open the lip oil, because like I said, I have had a look at these already. When I open the lip oil, it smells completely different. I just want to take a moment for packaging because all my days, the lid on this is literally glittery and sparkly and absolutely stunning. But when I open it up, it smells incredible. It's literally like loads of different kinds of fruit together. It really is like candy bears, but it just smells so fruity and fresh and summery, and I love this smell. It's probably going to be my top 3 behind the berries and the chocolate. It would probably be my 3rd favourite now. However, it smells completely different to the lip conditioner. Sorry, yeah, the lip conditioner. The lip oil smells completely different. But this one says candy bears is the flavour. And that one also says candy bears, so you'd think that they'd smell the same, which is why I'm so confused. But I don't know. Really love the smell of it. It's got a really nice kind of pink tint to it there. Really, really nice. Yeah, I just love this smell. So I'm going to put a little bit on. Really nice, but I just don't understand why they smell different when it's supposed to be the same flavour. I don't know, is it supposed to be different types of candy bear? Is this one flavour and that's a different one? I don't know. But the rest of the collection we've got is all in the same collection. So the rest of the budget box is all from the same collection. So I'm going to sniff the rest of it, which sounds really weird, but I'm going to sniff the rest and see if that smells the same or if they're all different. I don't know. I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, I wanted this just for the packaging alone because that's absolutely stunning. Moving on to the next thing. Like I said, there's so many things in here, but this month she's definitely focused on skin, which I've said in many, many, many videos. I would never buy Plouise skin, but then when I get it in the budget box, I can never put it down. It's absolutely gorgeous products. But then when you try something, you're like, wow, this is stunning. So I think that's a great thing about the budget box is you get to try things at a more of affordable cost and you get to try so many new things because everything she brings out in the budget box now, I think, are like new products, whereas before you would get like duplicates. Okay, so this says Sugar Me Up Face Scrub and the packaging is absolutely adorable. So I'm going to open this. There's a protective cap there. Oh my days. It's green. I felt like Glinda then, I'm not going to lie. I think I live, breathe, speak, sleep Wicked. I have done for years, but now the films are like, I'm obsessed, like truly obsessed. Very, very green, but it does smell like that lip oil. It smells really nice. It's got a very gooey kind of like jelly consistency. Let's see what it feels like. Oh, I can tell that it's a scrub. It's definitely got some particles in there, like exfoliated particles, but they're really, really tiny and really gentle. Okay, I think I'm going to like that. I'm going to try that when I have my bath tonight and see what that's like. So that's the first one. Then we've got, let's go with this one. What's this? This is, oh, this is a body scrub. So this goes with the face scrubs, like a little duo. Again, very, very similar packaging. They're all very, very on theme. I feel like the last 6 months or so, she's done very on theme budget boxes, like they've all had a theme to them. Because when I first signed up, you just get like random stuff out of their warehouse. Obviously everyone will get the same stuff, but you might get like an eyeshadow palette and like a lipstick and, you know, a brush, or like they were just like random different products, which I was so here for. I loved it. Obviously I signed up, but now everything's very, very themed. So you'll get like, you know, all blue packaging or all pink packaging or something from like one collection or different things like that. But she's constantly bringing new things out, which I love and hate. I love because they're iconic. She's growing. Like I'm so here for it, and I'm so proud of Paige because I've been here for a long time using her products. For like 4 or 5 years now I've been a fan of her work. But it is kind of frustrating because I physically can't keep up with the releases anymore. Like, I can't do it. They're so expensive. And the amount of things that she releases, I just physically can't keep up. Okay, so this is the All Scrubbed Up Fruit Body Scrub. Again, looking very, very green. Let's open it up and give it a smell. Ooh, that one is very gooey again. This is kind of giving tadpole vibes, I'm not gonna lie. See, that also smells the same. Everything smells the same so far, apart from that lip conditioner, which I'm really disappointed by because I love her lip conditioners, but that one is just not the one. I think I'm gonna message customer services and see if it's supposed to smell like that, because I just feel like it's not. So that's that one. Very nice. And then we've got 3 more products. Like I said, very, very skin focused this month, which I don't mind. Next we've got, ooh, a peel off mask. Okay. I'm excited for this. I love a peel off mask. My mum hates them, but I love them. Oh, I've seen this online. It's got like a weird like magnetic applicator there that you can like, I don't know why, but I would love this. I just play with that. So that's a little magnet on the back. Things like this are lifesavers for me because little spoons and little spatulas, they just go missing. I'll have them for a week, use them every day, and then I'll never see them again. Okay, let's open this up. Ooh, this is very, very Wicked themed. We've got green and pink everywhere. It's a sign. Okay. I'm not going to take that off completely because that's just going to go everywhere. But that looks so nice. See, that does smell different. That one definitely does smell different to the others. It kind of smells like hand sanitizer mixed with berries, I'm not going to lie. Maybe that scent that we've got in the others, that like gummy bear flavour mixed with sanitizer. Very interested by that. I'm intrigued to see what that's going to be like on the skin. I love a good face mask. Peel off and like charcoal. Favourite face mask ever at the moment. Last 2 bits. So this one I'm intrigued by, so I want to see what this is all about. This is a popping serum. I don't know if that's just a name or if it actually does something. Let's just read the back. Get ready to pop your skincare routine with Bubble Burst. Playful candy inspired serum is your skin's sweetest BFF. Directions for use: start with clean, dry skin. Use your favourite cleanser to prep your face. Blah blah blah. Watch those cute popping balls swirl in the formula. So I'm guessing it's just the packaging that's got like balls in the packaging. I don't know. Let's have a look. But again, literally the same packaging. It all matches, which I think is really cute because it's quite nice as well to have a full collection of something. because I wouldn't be able to afford a full skincare collection from Plouise, so I might just like buy one piece every now and again, and then they'll be like mismatching. But here I've literally got a full collection that matches, which is quite cute. Oh, okay, that's quite nice. So yeah, they've got, I don't think you'll be able to see this on camera, I'm not sure. They've got like tiny little balls in the formula there, in the serum. Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to see that on the camera. You might be able to see it better in the pipette. I don't know if you can. This feels really cringy to do, but I'm just going to do, you know, the YouTuber thing. I don't know if you can see that. I'm really hoping you can, but I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to get a little bit on the back of my hand. Oh, you can literally see those balls come out. That is so interesting. So they're green and pink. Ooh. They kind of dissolve on your hand. That is so different. It feels very, very hydrating. It's quite a liquidy formula, but it's got a little something there to it. It's not like pure liquid. It's got something there. That's really nice. That smells like gummy bears again. It does. Very, very nice scent. I like the bottle as well. That's really cute. I'm here for the green and pink. I really am. Then the last one, I believe. We've done that, haven't we? Yeah, it's a body scrub. So this is the last one. This is the recovery mask. We've got another face mask here. Hair Eye Glow again. Again, very, very similar packaging. Let's get into this. I've redone all my outfits, which you'll have probably seen. Everything's been redone, but the next task for me is to do my skincare drawers. And I think they're going to be like the ones below these. Like below this, I've got another 3 drawers in a basket on both sides. So I think I'm going to dedicate a couple of those to skincare so I can actually see everything. So it's getting me quite excited to put everything together. Oh my god, what? This is gorgeous. Okay, so this is what the face mask looks like. It's got green, pink and orange, like balls all the way around, which I love. Ooh, I'm going to give it a go. So let's open this up. Oh, it's even got like a little protector on the stopper there. See, this is what I mean about Plouise. She goes like above and beyond with all the packaging and just everything she does. Everything just feels really nice quality. I just want to see the colour of it. Oh, okay. That is so strange. So the instructions. Are there any instructions? Multi-level hyaluronic acid, tremolo mushroom, ingredients. What makes me special? Right, okay. Apply a generous layer onto clean, dry skin, avoiding the eye and lip area. Let it work its magic for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. Okay, cool. So it's a rinse off face mask then. Can you see that? That is so weird. So it's like clear, but it is like a jelly, kind of clear, with like an orange stripe going through it. I'm guessing as you go through the product, it'll change colour. So you'll have orange, pink and green stripes. I love this. I think that's the most interesting face mask I've seen for a while. So that is it. That's everything that's in the box. I don't like to go on and on because I feel like sometimes I can be like, oh, the video's a bit short, let me just go on a little bit and make it a bit longer, but there's not really any need. It's just showing you what's in the box, giving my opinions. But overall, I'm really impressed. I think the Bad Bee is still my favourite thing in there, just because I love the packaging. I think it's absolutely stunning. Then other than that, I think this mask, I really want to see how it works and what it looks like on the skin, because that is really, really interesting to me. I love the packaging. She always just thinks outside the box. It's really, really creative. But I also really like the look of this peel-off mask as well, and I love the magnetic part on the top. So yeah, I think I'm going to do a full skincare routine tonight in the bath with Plouise. I'm really excited. But that is everything that we got in the May box. I say May, it's kind of the April box. So you pay for the box in April and it gets delivered in May. Paige calls it the April box, but then if I post saying the April box, everyone will think it's last month's, not this month's. This one also actually came really early this month. I think I got it like on the 1st or something. But I've been quite busy with content, so I'm still uploading it around a similar time. But sometimes you don't get them to like the 8th or 10th, so it actually came really early this month and I wasn't expecting it when it did arrive. But that is everything that came in the box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, let me know any other videos you want to see from me, what you thought of this box, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!